Hi, this is my living room that I have created in the meta world. If you are interested in coming to check it out, you can definitely do it. Come check out my spot. Woo! Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see y'all next time. Bye. Hey y'all, so this is my first created space in the meta world. I decided to create like a she shed situation in like a backyard forest area. This is my back door because I still haven't figured out how to open or get the front door open. And this is pretty much it. I made like the couch, the table and everything, but I wanted to create a small little one-seater to kind of sit in the corner. And here you can see I'm just kind of constructing the base part of the chair as well as the back of the chair here. That just trying to get like that idea of what I want it to look like first, and then kind of just sizing it so that it all fits. And here is the cones. I'm putting them as legs for my chair. And here you can see where you duplicate those legs. You see the duplicate sign. You can duplicate your shapes so that they are all like equally aligned or symmetrical, whatever. They all look the same. Here you can see me selecting everything, all the shapes that I just put down. And when you select all, you can pretty much move everything together. So here I'm trying to like decide if I want the chair kind of bigger, smaller, how is it going to look in this space. And then you just kind of pull everything out so that it looks pretty good and shape it all in. Get them symmetrical so that it looks even. And now you can pretty much just play around with the colors given on Horizon World. And they also have like different textures, like wood textured or like cement, giving off like that like cement or rock texture and appearance. And they also have like this cute little cheetah print looking texture. So I put that on the chair as a fabric. And here you can see I am making this as a new asset in the Horizon world. And here I'll just be able to label this as a chair. And if I want to take this to another world that I create, then I'll be able to take the chair along with me to that other world. Here I'm taking a picture of it so I can see it for reference when selecting in the assets folder. And that's how you create access in Horizon World. And if you go to assets, you can see where I've just added that chair in there. And that's pretty much it. I've created this world, one of my first worlds here in Horizon World. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, if you're on Horizon Worlds and you're looking for some inspiration, come follow me. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.